A very good morning, students. Welcome to the e-classes of Rock Gold Academy. I, Sakshi Divedi, here with class first, chapter number 3, that is subtraction till 20. So, let's start. First is our meaning of subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away from a group or number of things. Here I have shown the sign of subtraction. See this one, this minus sign is a sign of subtraction. For example, we can see here are some balloons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many balloons are there? 9 balloons. And we have, here it is written 9 minus 3. We have to reduce 3 balloons from this, right? So let us reduce 1, 2 and 3. Now how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our answer is 6. Next is subtraction on a number strip. See, this one is our number strip. You know very well, you have seen in addition chapter also the number strip, right? So we always count backward while subtracting. While addition we count forward and in subtraction we count backward, right? Let us see the first example. 9 minus 5. Find out where is 9. See here. Here is 9. Yes. We have to move backwards. 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many jumps we have take? 4 jumps. So the answer is 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, 12 minus 3 means we have to go 12 from up to 3, right? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are these? 9. So our answer is 9. Next is subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it, right? Whenever we subtract 1 to a number, we will get the answer what? Just before a number. Let us take an example. See here, how many boxes are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And our question is 5 minus 1. So we have to minus 1, right? So what comes before 5? 4, right? So the answer will be 4. Let's check it out. From 5 boxes, we have to minus 1. So we will minus 1 box. How many are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, we have also written here 4 because 4 comes just before 5. Next, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 circles. 7 minus 1. What comes before 7? 6. And if we cancel one circle, we also will get 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6. Our next topic is subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number, right? Let us see the example. Here are 3 erasers, right? And 3 minus 0. So we have 3 erasers. And what we have to reduce? 0. 0 has no value. So the answer will be same. The answer will be 3. Let us discuss this subtracting 0 through a statement also, right? See, there are 9 birds on a tree. On a tree, how many birds are there? 9 birds. None of the bird flew, right? No birds flew away. And how many birds are left on a tree? If no birds flew, then the birds left are 9. We know that, right? There are how many birds? 9 birds on a tree. And how many flew away? 0. If none of the birds flew, the answer will be same. So the answer will be 9. Next, subtracting a number from itself. Right, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. Like here, 3 flowers are there. If we minus 3 minus 3 means 3 flowers are there and we minus 3 only. 1, 2 and 3. So, how many are left? 0. It is only said here, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. Next, subtracting on abacus. See this one, you know this is an abacus, right? So, first example is subtract 5 from 9. We have to subtract 5 from 9. So, the first step is put 9 beads on one spike. We have to put 9 beads on one spike. We have put in here. Second, take 5 beads away. There are 4 beads left. If we take out 5 beads away from 9, so how many beads are left? 4 beads. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Here I am having 2 examples for you, right? We will do right now. See, 18 minus 6. We have to draw first 18 beads. How we will draw this? See, 8 is at one's place, right? So at one's place we will draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And at 10's place 1. So we will draw 1 bead. Right. Now we have to minus 6. So let's minus it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's count how many left. 1, 2 and 3. How many left? 3. So 18 minus 6 is 3. Next, 7 minus 7. So we have to draw 7 at one's place, right? So let's draw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And if we minus 7 from 7, we will get what? 0, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What we get? 0. Next topic is vertical subtraction. In vertical subtraction, let us see the steps of this. First step is write bigger number first. We have to write the bigger number first. See, I have written here 15 or 4. Which one is bigger number, 15 or 4? Yes, 15. So we have written 15 first, right? Second step, write smaller number below the bigger number. We have written here 4. Smaller number below the bigger number. Then we have to subtract it, right? This is called vertical subtraction. Let us see 2 examples on this vertical subtraction. See, 7 minus 3. So, let us make some lines here for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, minus 3. So, 1, 2 and 3. Now, how many left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, the answer is 4. See the next one, 12 minus 6. So, we have to draw 12 sticks. So, let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now, minus 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many left? 6. So, the 6 is our answer. We can also use number strip to subtract, right? This subtraction can also be done by number strip. This is our number strip. Let us subtract this one. 7 minus 3. Okay, how we will subtract? In subtraction, we have to go backwards, right? So, we have to go backwards from 7 till 3. Let us take how many jumps are there. Okay, let us see. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many jumps we have taken? 4 jumps. See here, our answer is also 4, right? Our next topic is subtraction facts. In this subtraction facts, first one is subtraction facts for 1. For 1, 1 minus 0 will always be 1, right? 1 minus 0 will always come 1. And 1 minus 1 will be 0. See 1, here I have made 1 flower. If we minus 0 from this, nothing will be done because 0 has no value. So we will get 1 as our answer. And 1 minus 1, if we cut this 1 flower from here, then what we will get? 0. So our answer will be 0. Next, subtraction facts for 2. 2 minus 0 will always come 2, right? Because 0 has no value, and if we minus 0 from this 2, we get always 2. 2 minus 1 will always be 1, and 2 minus 2 will always be 0. Our next one is subtraction facts for 3. 3 minus 0 will always be 3. 3 minus 1 will always be 2. 3 minus 2 will always be 1, and 3 minus 3 will always be 0. Similar way in the subtraction facts for 4. 4 minus 0 will always be 4. 4 minus 1 will always be 3. Like, see here. Here are 4 sticks. If we minus 1 from it, how many will it come? 1, 2 and 3. Right? 4 minus 2 will always be 2. How? Here are 4 sticks. If we cut 2 sticks, so how many will be left? 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. 4 minus 3 will always be 1. If we minus 3 from this, then how many we will get? 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 4 will always be 0. See, if we cut all these 4 sticks, then what we will get? Nothing. So 0. Our next and last topic is subtraction stories. Let us read out the statement. Sonia had 12 flowers. She lost 4 flowers. How many flowers does she have now? How many flowers does Sonia have? 12 flowers. And how many flowers does Sonia lost? 4 flowers. So, 12 minus 4. See, we can do it from number strip also. We can do this from our fingers also. And we can do this by making sticks. Here I am making sticks for you all. 12 sticks we have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many we have to minus? 4. So, let us minus 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, our answer will be 8. So, how many flowers does Sonia has? 8 flowers. Sonia had 8 flowers. So, this is our end of this chapter. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe, and yes, do not forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.